Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix server access failure in Wechat. Follow along carefully. Open the Play Store on your device, search for the Wechat application, and ensure that it is updated to the latest version. You can check if your app is updated by looking for the Update button next to the app name. If it's updated, proceed to the next step. Tap and hold the Wechat app icon, then select App Info. If you can't find this option, you can go to your phone settings and then navigate to App Management. From there, locate the Wechat app and tap on it. In the app settings, find the Storage and Cache option. This may be located differently depending on your device, but it's usually found under the Storage or Storage and Cache section. Once you're in the Storage settings, you'll see options to clear the cache and clear the storage. Tap on both options to clear the cache and storage data for the Wechat app. Note that the location of these options may vary, so look for them either at the top or bottom of the screen. After clearing the cache and storage, close the settings and try using the Wechat app again. The server access failure issue should hopefully be resolved. If the problem persists, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the Wechat app. This can sometimes fix underlying issues with the application. That's it. Follow these steps carefully and hopefully you'll be able to resolve the server access failure in Wechat. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.